ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಜಾಲವು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಯಾಣಿಕರ ಸುರಕ್ಷತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಗಮ ಸಂಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ರೈಲು ನಿಗಮ ಬಿಎಂಆರ್ಸಿಎಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒತ್ತು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಬಿಎಂಆರ್ಸಿಎಲ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಸುಮಿತ್ ಭಟ್ನಾಗರ್ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುವಾರ ನಡೆದ 2ನೇ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಬಿಲಿಟಿ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ 2026 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಸುಗಮ ಸಂಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸವಾಲುಗಳು ಪಾಲುದಾರರ ಸಭೆಯನ್ನುದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಭಟ್ನಾಗರ್, ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಜಾಲ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯಾದಂತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಿಲ್ದಾಣಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನಸಂದಣಿ ಇರುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಕಲೇಟರ್ಗಳ ಅಗತ್ಯವೂ ತೀವ್ರವಾಗಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಲಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ವಿರ್ಗೋ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕಿ ಅನಿತಾ ರಘುನಾಥ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ವಿಸ್ತರಣೆಯು ಕೇವಲ ಹೊಸ ಮಾರ್ಗಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒತ್ತು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗೆ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸುಮಿತ್ ಭಟ್ನಾಗರ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರೇರಾ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಡಾ. ಎಚ್.ಆರ್. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಳಿತದ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
Smart Lift and Mobility World is one of its kind exhibition which is an integrated event which brings elevators, escalators, mobility, parking and access control together. Though we have started our journey in 2007 where we were only focusing on the elevator and components part, but we thought with time, with technology and IoT and everything, today everything in the building is interconnected. So that is why we thought of Smart Lift and Mobility as a renamed event. We have more than 170 companies who are exhibiting here today, and along with our conference and awards and elevator safety run, we try to bring the entire community from real estate to architects to builders and the elevator industry together. So that's the idea of this event, and this is very, very crucial for today's real estate growth. And you cannot have a building without elevators today. And today's all technologically advanced buildings, what you call as a smart buildings, are interconnected with everything, like from a gate to seat concept. The moment you come into a gate, you have access. You have access cards, and you park in your slot. Then you go to your building. You already have a kind of an access there, and then your lift is already ready for you to move because the lift understands there is technology there. This is destination control and other things allows you to understand where you need to go. So this concept is very much required for today's real estate growth, and that is what we are focusing on.
What is the footfall you are expecting?
We are expecting more than 10 to 12,000 in 3 days people to come.
How will this be beneficial?
It's a B2B exhibition. Like I said, if you look at a real estate player, builder or architect, they need to think of at the design stage itself where they're going to put the lift, how they are going to cater to the people's movement in a building. That is what the idea of this event is.
What kind of a business has been generated?
That is very difficult to even put a number because each component has a different kind of a role, and each numbers are vary from each other. So you can say it is a critical component today, and it is going to be very, very crucial in the coming days.
Elevator and mobility, role of these equipment in the mobility. A very nicely organized event, this one, and of course Bangalore Metro is using number of elevators, escalators, and metro is expanding, so the use of elevators and escalators will certainly increase. As of now, already we are having around 500 elevators and 1,000 escalators will be there in next 2 years. So this is a very useful event, and it will give us insight into the design, manufacturing and maintenance of these equipment, which are very much essential for any metro system. Thank you very much.